What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now we are on the way to a shoot. It's kind of a random day, bro. It's a random vlog. It's like, what day is it? It's a Thursday, bro. It's just a random Thursday. just spawned in on a random Thursday, but the homie hit me up to do a little shoot, so we're about to head over there. I haven't been to the spot. I don't know what spot it is, but bro, he's fire with the camera. He's like one of the finest photographers I know. So we finna go meet over, bro. Shoot the car. It's super dirty right now, but we're gonna make it look good, because when you follow the camera, bro, that's what you do. So I don't know, man. We on the way, but yeah, I really don't know what is going on right now. I really don't know how this vlog is about to go. I don't know how this video is about to go. This is probably gonna be one of them random clips that just end up in another vlog. So we gonna see. I don't know what we doing right now. I don't know where we going. I don't know what's about to happen, but it's probably gonna, if something eventful happens, I'm gonna pick the camera up. If not, like I said, it's going up in a random vlog, but I'm gonna pick the camera up when we get to the spot and show y'all what we working with. Like I said, I haven't seen the spot. I don't know where the spot is, but I trust the vision. I trust his vision. He's a fire photographer. So we gonna see, man. We'll pick the camera back up. Yo, I don't know who that is, but that bit clean. He did it right. He got the carbon fenders. He got the wheels. Okay, I see you. I see you, boy. Hey, bro. I used to have a G35, bro, and I missed that car. I had a G35 coupe. Let me tell y'all about my G35, man. I had an 03 G35 coupe manual. But that bit was clean, but I'm gonna put a picture on the screen. But I had the TEs on there. I just playing. They weren't TEs. They was TEs. I had the TEs on there, but it was fire, bro. I missed that car, bro. I missed that G, man. I thought about getting another one, but nah, I'm not gonna get another one. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. This got me at a BS spot, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't even know what this is, bro. I'm gonna get out and show y'all. I don't know, bro. I pulled up. He said trust the vision though, so I don't know. We gonna see, man. But it ain't looking too good, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It ain't looking too good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Y'all know what? Fun fact. He actually, and a couple of vlogs ago, I was talking about how I just got this camera. This is my first camera I ever got. He's actually the person that sold it to me. So I don't know. He like the knowledge camera guru when it comes to this camera stuff. So look at this guy.
Shit, you can get cold outside. So I had to put on quadruple layers actually. So
we finna get a drip check?
Double jacket. So what?
Are we about to get a drip check?
No, we're not. I'm about to do this video and go home.
So yeah, guys, that's a homie. He sold me the camera. He did not give us a drip check. It's actually freezing out. I can't believe he's out here filming this. He's crazy. Let me just show y'all the spot real quick, man. It's honestly not too bad now that I'm outside looking at it. Not too crazy, too bad. But yeah, guys, it's super cold out here. Let me show y'all the temperature, man. It is cold, bro. Look at this, 32 degrees, bro. It's freezing, bro. Literally freezing, bro. But I'm gonna trust his vision, and hopefully we get some fire out of it, bro. I'm gonna let him do his job. I'm gonna let him work, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I think it's actually gonna come out pretty fire, so we'll see.
Tomorrow.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. God bless you guys. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a great day so far. It's like 2 o'clock right now. It's super sunny out. It's warm, bro. It feels great, bro. In Atlanta, we've been getting like, it's been cold. It's been like, it was fall. So now I think in a couple days it's gonna be spring, and it's just, bro, look at this. Clear skies, bro. Nothing but clear skies. It's beautiful. The weather, like I said, the temperature's perfect. Everything, bro. I got a short sleeve on and some shorts, and I got the windows down. So today is actually March 1st. So I think it's like 8 days until spring. I don't know, but we are back again for a tattoo. In the previous video, we were not able to get the tattoo, but today we're back to fulfill that. And I'm scared, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm scared. Like I told y'all, bro, I hate needles. I hate needles, bro. That's the death of me. That's my biggest fear is a needle. That's my only fear is a needle. So I'm running late like always, but typical black people fashion, I'm running late. So I'm gonna hurry up, get out and record this, or actually get out and get this tattoo. I'm not gonna record it. I'm not even gonna take the camera in there because it's the homie's shop, it's the homie's business, and I just wanna respect him. I don't wanna go in somebody's business and sticking a camera all in their face. So y'all pray for me right now. If you're watching this, pray for me, because it's gonna be the longest tattoo I ever had. It's gonna be the longest tattoo I ever got, the longest I ever sat through a session. But we gotta do it, man. We gotta finish though. I'm gonna check back in with y'all after the tattoo, let y'all know how it goes. Might show y'all what I got, I don't know. But I'll check back in with y'all.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, it's been like 4 or 5 hours now, and we just finished up. It honestly wasn't that bad, bro. It wasn't that bad. I did use numbing cream. Y'all already know I'm not playing with y'all. I'm not playing with nobody. I'm gonna use that numbing cream. I don't care what y'all, I don't care what nobody say. I'm gonna use numbing cream. And it wore off like halfway into the tat, so that was a little hard, but it wasn't that bad though. Even though it wore off, it wasn't that bad. Like the first hour and a half, it was solid. I didn't feel nothing, bro. That numbing cream, bro, it works wonders, bro. You don't feel anything. But once it wore off, man, it was like, bro, I started to feel everything. It all hit me like a train, bro. That's the bad thing about numbing cream, is like when you're using it, you don't feel anything, and then it just wears off like that, and then you just start to feel everything. So yeah, it was, yeah. Honestly, the pain though wasn't too bad. I give the pain probably like I'll probably give it a 5 out of 10, honestly. The only reason I say that is because I had my ribs done, and that was like a 12 out of 10. There was no pain greater than the tattoo on my rib, bro. That was the greatest pain I've ever felt in my life. So the front of my leg, and I'll show you guys a little later, front of my leg wasn't too bad. Actually, I'll show y'all right now. It's all wrapped up now, but did the rest of my leg, the front. So pretty much the whole leg is done, or the bottom half at least. We just gotta do the back. We'll come back and do that another day. But yeah, it's all wrapped up now, so. Glad I finally got that out the way, bro. That was honestly long overdue. I should have done that a long time ago, but we got it done now. It's fire. I'll show you guys. Maybe I'll put a picture on the screen when I'm editing this a little later when I go home and shower and stuff. But yeah, man, right now we just gonna see where the day takes us. I'll pick up the camera, check back in with y'all.
1 day later.
Alright, you guys, fast forward to the next day. We're in a different city, in a hotel right now. I don't know how we got here. I don't know what we're doing here. Just roll with it, just go with it. But guys, you already see from the title of this video, I kind of want to just come on here and make this video from my own perspective to give my own ownership review. I feel like a lot of people don't really do that on these cars, or if you're ever looking to get into one of these cars and you kind of want to see somebody's ownership review or the history, the maintenance, whatever, this will be a good video for you, because when I was wanting to buy this car, I went on YouTube to look for a couple of them. I didn't really see much that kind of went to the depths of what I'm about to go to. So this will be a good video for you if you're in the market for S55, M3, M4, or M2, whatever it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. So basically what this video is going to be about is about my own personal experience as far as maintenance, ownership, and the repair costs and prices and things of that nature of the car. So just jump right into it. I bought the car in 2021 with 81,000 miles. Fast forward to today in 2025, I have about 145,000 miles on it. So it is a high mileage M54. It is a high mileage S55 M4. Some people say it's high mileage. I don't really think it's high mileage. I guess if you're in the world, if you're considering high mileage as anything over 100,000, then yes, this would be a very high mileage car. However, do not let that discourage you if you're looking to get into one of these cars, because a lot of times that, well, I'm not gonna say a lot of times, but sometimes that really doesn't matter, bro. Like, for example, my car, 145,000 miles. Most people look at it, they would never imagine so. And even the repairs and everything that I'm gonna go into it, you would never think this car had that many miles on it, bro. So just jump right into it. Here's a list I've made of every single thing I've replaced or had to replace that's either broken on the car or some sort of preventative maintenance. And I think you guys are gonna be extremely surprised when I tell you guys this list. So first things first, what we did in, I think 2022, I believe, was the crank up. Now, let me just explain. The crank hub on my car did not break. Nothing went wrong with the car. I had no issues with the car whatsoever in 2022. The only reason I did the crank hub is because before my M4, I had a S55 M3. And if you know anything about the S65s, they have a rod bearing issue, bro. They have a rod bearing issue. And basically, if you don't do the rod bearings, you're pretty much gambling the life of the motor. It could be a ticking time bomb. The motor could blow up. The motor cannot blow up. Who knows? It's up in the air. I mistakenly did not do the rod bearings under my ownership of my M3, and I paid the price for it. My engine blew, bro. One of the rare occurrences. My engine blew on the car, and I said, you know what? When I get an S55, an M4, or M3, I'm for sure gonna do the crank hub because I do not want that to happen ever again. So that's why I did the crank hub. The crank hub didn't break. The motor didn't have any issues. I did the crank hub purely for a sense of mind, a peace of mind, if you will. And I'm happy I did it because now I can drive the car however I want to drive it and not have to worry about the crank hub spinning. So I did the crank hub at the time in 2022 for $4,500. Now that price may seem or sound kind of steep, but given the time that it was, I decided to just kind of do everything. So I did the crank hub and then some. I did some oil changes. I did some fluid changes. I did some bearings and bushings. I did a lot of things that revolved around the crank hub centric being replaced, and I guess that's why the price was so expensive. I don't know what crank hubs are really running for nowadays, but $4,500 back in 2022 for a crank hub job, and then some other stuff, like I said, is what we pay for that. Fast forward, I had to replace my PCV valve or the valve cover gasket. Now, if you know anything about these cars, they have this little valve cover gasket on them, or the PCV valve, where basically it starts to give a, and this is how you know it's going out. It gives like a little crazy squealing noise, and it sounds so annoying. When you turn the car on, the cold start, it doesn't do it. When the car gets up to temperature, it makes this nasty squealing noise, bro. It's so disgusting. And that's pretty much a clear sign that you need to replace your valve cover gasket. Now, the PCV valve is attached to the valve cover. So when you're replacing the valve cover, obviously you're replacing the gasket, you're replacing the whole thing. So PCV valve, AKA valve cover, is all one piece. You replace it all as a whole, the sound goes away, everything's good, life is great. So I replaced that. I don't remember what year that was, maybe in 2023. One of those years. I replaced that for $1,200. That was parts and labor. Next, we have the oil pan. Now, when I first bought the car in 2022, like I said, 2021, like I said, from the dealership I bought it from, I had 5 free oil changes. Now, I don't know how this happened, but somewhere along the line of me getting oil changes and the life of it, the drain plug bolt got stripped at some point and it started to leak oil. It wasn't leaking bad, but it was leaking oil, and that was something I had to replace. So instead of replacing the whole oil pan at the time because they're expensive, I decided to self-tap it. I didn't do it, but they decided to tap it, which is basically you kind of wring out the drain plug, and it's like a time cert. I time certed it, basically. That's the word I was looking for. I time certed it. If you don't know what a time cert is, I can't really explain it, but basically it's an attempt to repair the drain plug so you don't have to replace the whole oil pan because they are crazy expensive, bro. So we tried that. It worked for a couple months, and then it started leaking oil again. So pretty much at that point, I just had to replace the whole oil pan. Now, like I said, the oil pan replacement for these cars are crazy expensive, bro. They're so expensive, even to the point to where they're just expensive, bro. Like, I looked it up on SCP Euro, and I'm gonna look it up right now for you guys, just to show you guys how expensive an oil pan is for these cars, bro, because it's ridiculous, bro. Like, look at that, bro. I don't know if you guys can see that. It might not focus. I won't focus. That's an oil pan from FCP Euro, bro. It's an oil pan from FCP Euro. It comes with the oil pan, the gasket, the bolts, everything you need. It might come with some oil too, I don't know. But the price of this, bro, is $1,440, bro, for an oil pan. That's not including the labor. The labor for the job is crazy expensive too, I've heard, because when you drop it, or when you replace the oil pan, you gotta kind of drop the whole front subframe. You gotta, it's a lot, bro. The whole job is a lot. It can be very expensive very fast. So when I tell you guys the price of what I paid to replace and install my oil pan, it's gonna sound crazy, but I don't know, bro. God just put it in my lap. God blessed me with great friends and an oil pan at that time. He just set the oil pan in my lap. So basically I got the brand new oil pan, or it's basically brand new. I got the oil pan and I got it installed all for $800, bro. So literally almost half of what just the oil pan costs, not any labor, is what I paid to get the oil pan and install. God is great. God is good. I cannot make this up. Thank you, Jesus. So Guys, to my surprise, not really to my surprise, but I guess kind of to my surprise, and I'm probably sure to your surprise as well, those are the only 3 things I've ever had to replace on this car in the 4 years of ownership, bro. 4 years, over 50,000 miles. The car's been tuned for like 30,000 of those miles, so I would say that's pretty good, bro. I would say that's pretty good, bro. Only 3 things have gone wrong. And just to preface, I didn't even have to do the oil pan, or no, I did have to do the oil pan. I didn't even have to do the crank up, bro. I did the crank up purely for a peace of mind. I spent $4,500 purely for a peace of mind. So when that's included in the total price, which I'm about to give you guys right now, I didn't even have to spend that. So that just goes to show, bro, this car, bro, they're so reliable when you take care of them. And also, I just want to preface, that's excluding oil changes, tire rotations, tire changes, brakes, fluids, all those things that's kind of like general maintenance, which you have to do on every single car, not just this car. I excluded all of that. So I'm not even going to include all of that because, like I said, you have to do that on any car. So these 3 things are just things that I've done on the car because they either broke, which was 2 of them, or the last thing, which is the crank hub. I did it for a peace of mind, which I guess you can kind of consider that as something that broke, even though it really didn't break. But we're just going to include it anyway. So the total price of everything, let's see, let's add it all up. The total price of everything, crank hub, PCV valve, oil pan, bro, $6,500, bro. $6,500, bro. That's it. That's all. $6,500 is all I've spent, bro. Now you can't tell me, bro, in 4 years of ownership, over 50,000 miles put on the car, $6,500, bro. You can't beat that, bro. You literally can't beat that, bro. That just goes to show this car is reliable when you take care of it. It's safe when you take care of it, and it treats you well, bro. It treats you well. $6,500 divided by 12 is like what, like 541, I think, or something like that. And bro, $540 every single month over the course of 4 years. I mean, that's how much I paid in just repairing the car. And even to be fair, bro, $4,500 of that I didn't even have to spend. So if we just want to even take it to another notch, right? And let's just exclude the $4,500 we spent. 1,200 times, or no, not times, that's crazy. 1,200 plus 800, $2,000, bro. That's how much I've spent in repairs on this car in 4 years of ownership, 50,000 miles, and the car's been tuned. $2,000, bro. So you divide 2,000 by 4 years, however many months that is. Let's see, 2,000 divided by 48. $41, bro. $41, 666,667 cents. $41, bro. $41.06. You can't beat it. You can't go wrong with it. It's one of the best cars, super reliable. I don't know, bro. I mean, the numbers speak for itself. I'm telling you guys, this is from my personal ownership. I'm not telling you something I heard. I'm telling you what I know. This is what I experienced. This is just what I've gone through. Now, that's not to say if you go out there, you buy M3 or M4 or M2, you're gonna have the same fate, because I don't know. Depending on who you buy it from and the maintenance record and the history of it, you might have a completely different fate than me. I don't know, but I'm just telling you guys from my own experience. 4 years of ownership, 50,000 miles, numbers don't lie. That's how much I spent. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was fun making it. If you guys don't ever know any more figures or anything like that, going into more detail of the number, what I paid for the car, how much I bought the car for it, if I financed the car or not, let me know, comment down below. I hope you guys liked the video. Like always, if you liked it, drop a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. Comment down below if you guys want to leave some feedback. I much appreciate it. Super grateful. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Peace.